You need to watch this if you think pigeons are boring. Prepare to be amazed. Did you know pigeons can recognize themselves in mirrors? Yeah, they're basically feathered geniuses. And get this, they can fly up to 600 miles in a single day. Talk about avian athletes. Pigeons also have extraordinary memory skills. They can remember faces and places for years. So, think twice before you shoo them away. Oh, and here's a kicker. Pigeons were used in both world wars to deliver crucial messages. True feathered heroes. And if you thought their cooing was just noise, think again. They have different sounds for different feelings. Cool, right? So next time you see a pigeon, give them a nod of respect. They're way cooler than you think. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome facts.